Did you know that over 60% of fuel injector cleaners on the market aren't just useless? They're quietly sabotaging your engine. Some of these miracle bottles have fried oxygen sensors and sent repair bills soaring past $2,500 for a new catalytic converter. If your car has been running for 10, 15, or even 20 years, those cheap, flashy bottles lining the shelves could be slowly destroying it from the inside. Today, we're cutting through the hype and showing you the 5 fuel injector cleaners that can actually harm your car, and the 3 trusted ones that really work, keeping your engine safe, smooth, and far away from a wallet-draining disaster. If you've ever strolled down the car care aisle, chances are Abro Injector Cleaner has jumped out at you with its shiny packaging and promises of instant injector cleaning. And here lies the trap many people fall into: the illusion of effectiveness at first glance. Holding the bottle, watching the sparkling brown liquid, and hearing the fast cleaning claims, it's easy to imagine the grime in your injectors being magically removed. Some even feel a temporary smoothness in the drive or quieter idle. But this is purely a psychological effect, not real chemical action. Abro's main ingredient is not PEA or polyethyramine, the only chemical proven to dissolve stubborn carbon deposits in injectors. Instead, it uses diesel, number 2 gas oil, which only slightly loosens deposits, essentially moving grime around rather than removing it. The result? Loose carbon chunks flowing through the fuel system, causing all sorts of technical issues: clogged fuel filters, blocked injectors, and irregular air-fuel mixtures, leading to rough, idle, and uneven performance. That smooth feeling is only temporary. In the long run, your fuel system is at risk of serious damage. For cars over 10 years old or with more than 100,000 miles, Abro is almost useless and can even cause additional harm. A gamble you definitely don't want to take on a trusted companion that's been with you for decades. Still, it's hard to deny its major advantage. Abro is extremely easy to find. Just a quick trip to an auto parts store or a few clicks on Amazon. The price is reasonable, and the process is so simple that no mechanical knowledge is needed. Pour it into the tank, fill up, and drive as usual. No tools, no special skills, no wasted time. In short, Abro Injector Cleaner is a convenient and approachable choice for those who like to experiment or for cars that aren't heavily contaminated. But if you truly want to care for your car in a smart, long-term way, it's better to choose proven PEA-based products. And the products you should actually use will be introduced near the end of the video, so stay tuned. For just a few bucks, you can grab a bottle of generic bargain $3 cleaner. These cheap bottles are super accessible and easy to use. No tools, no mechanical skills required. With a fairly clean car, or one with only light dirt, you might notice a slightly smoother idle, a bit snappier throttle response, and an overall softer feel. Enough to convince yourself, yeah, this actually works. That very feeling, temporary and fragile, is exactly what these cheap cleaners are selling, and many people get this reward after just one fill. Much like Abro, the effect is short-lived, and the risks are lurking beneath the surface. According to automotive experts and industry best practices, the effectiveness of a fuel injector cleaner largely depends on the active detergent, and the most effective widely recognized one is PEA. The problem is, nearly all these cheap $3 bottles contain no PEA. Instead, they use inexpensive solvents like kerosene or alcohol to loosen grime. That's why, according to multiple technical analyses, these bargain bottles can only remove light deposits or surface dirt. They are completely powerless against carbon deposits that have baked on through many combustion cycles. When the solvent loosens deposits without dissolving them, loose carbon chunks or varnish pieces can float through the fuel, leading to serious problems. Clogged fuel filters, blocked injectors, imbalanced air-fuel mixtures, rough idle misfires, and even damage to the catalytic converter or other sensitive components. In other words, what you're paying a few dollars for, the sensation of a smoother ride, may only be temporary. What you don't see, carbon chunks silently floating through the system, is what's quietly destroying your car, waiting until you have to shell out hundreds or even thousands of dollars for real repairs. Additionally, major manufacturers and professional garages warn that fuel injector cleaners have clear limitations. Once deposits are too severe or injectors are mechanically damaged, no bottle in the tank can replace professional cleaning or injector replacement. Another consequence many overlook: frequent or improper use of cheap cleaners can shorten the life of seals, O-rings, rubber components, and even affect sensors and the fuel system. Reports show that repeated use of strong solvent, low-quality products can lead to seal failure, gradually causing leaks or part wear. So, if you've spent a lifetime taking care of your car, from timely oil changes to air and fuel filter replacements and careful driving, our advice is clear. Don't let a few dollars compromise the safety and durability of your entire vehicle. Next up, we have ethanol-heavy cleaners. Ethanol is a strong solvent, yes, and it can dissolve varnish, gum, or light deposits in the fuel tank, giving the impression that your injectors are cleared out and your car is running smoother. But at the same time, ethanol is hygroscopic. It absorbs moisture from the air like a sponge, making it easy for water to mix into the fuel. When this happens, water can settle at the bottom of the tank, separating from the gasoline and causing phase separation. Once the ethanol-water mixture is drawn into the fuel pump or injectors, the results can include rust, corrosion of metal parts, reduced performance, misfires, and even engine failure, a scenario no driver wants to face. Experts at Fuel Tech Experts and Biofuel emphasize that ethanol-heavy additives significantly increase the risk of fuel system corrosion, especially in humid environments or when the car sits unused for long periods. Owners of older cars need to be even more cautious. Seals, fuel lines, O-rings, and pumps, many made of rubber, plastic, or aluminum alloys not designed for prolonged ethanol exposure, can become brittle, crack, leak, or wear out faster. The risk doesn't stop there. Ethanol contains oxygen, which can make the engine run lean, burning fuel at higher temperatures, causing knocking, heat buildup, and even piston or internal damage. Older vehicles without modern fuel injection systems or ECU adjustments are even more vulnerable, suffering from rough idle, clogged injectors, and even sudden engine shutdown. The actual cleaning effect is also quite limited. Ethanol can only remove soft varnish layers or light deposits. Heavy, baked-on carbon remains. These carbon chunks can break loose, cause blockages, redeposit elsewhere, or damage sensors, pumps, and injectors. Experts at ChemSo emphasize that only specialized detergents like PEA are strong enough to truly dissolve heavy carbon. In other words, the smooth ride after an ethanol-heavy cleaner is often just a temporary illusion. The long-term price, especially for older or high-mileage cars, can include dried or cracked seals, corroded metal, clogged filters, reduced performance, and repair costs running hundreds or even thousands of dollars. If you're thinking that alcohol-based fuel injector cleaners, like isopropyl alcohol, IPA, are a cure-all for cleaning your fuel system, think again. It's true that alcohol-heavy formulas offer an initial benefit. They absorb water extremely well, helping to address moisture in the fuel tank and preventing phase separation, misfires, or engine shutdown caused by water in the fuel. This is a notable plus, especially in emergencies, like water-contaminated gas, or a car that's been sitting unused for a long time. Moreover, IPA is relatively gentle on gasoline. It doesn't degrade the fuel or produce unpleasant odors, leading many to believe they're properly maintaining their car. But here's the problem. IPA and other alcohols aren't strong enough to dissolve hard carbon deposits, which are the real culprits clogging injectors, intake valves, or combustion chambers. The carbon chunks just break off and float through the system, easily clogging injectors or fouling spark plugs, creating a mess you can't see at first. Alcohol also dries out rubber seals, O-rings, and plastic parts in the fuel system, leading to leaks, pressure drops, and even potential fuel pump damage over time. Experts at Redline Injectors emphasize that continuous use of IPA for injector cleaning is a common cause of premature seal and O-ring failure. It doesn't stop there. Alcohol adds oxygen to the fuel mixture, causing the engine to run leaner than normal. The result is higher combustion temperatures, increased risk of knocking, and in the worst-case scenario, severe damage to pistons or internal engine components. Older vehicles without modern ECU compensation are especially vulnerable, experiencing rough, idle, clogged injectors or even sudden engine shutdown. In short, alcohol-heavy formulas deliver a short-term win, temporarily removing water and giving the engine a clean feeling, but in the long run, they are silent risk factors. Carbon remains, seals dry out, injectors and fuel pumps take damage, and repair costs rise month by month. Based on our experience, you can keep IPA on hand for emergencies, like water-contaminated fuel or a car that hasn't been driven for a while. However, it's important not to use it regularly or treat it as a routine maintenance solution. Kerosene and strong solvents like acetone or xylene can remove soft varnish layers and light deposits. At first, you might notice that fuel flows more easily, which seems to make the fuel path feel cleared. With light dirt or lightly baked varnish, you might notice a small difference: smoother engine operation, slightly better throttle response, less vibration. However, in reality, kerosene, acetone, and xylene attack everything. Yes, carbon deposits, but also rubber, seals, hoses, and plastic parts in the fuel system. According to some GM technical guides, pouring diesel or kerosene into a gasoline engine or using strong solvents intended for diesel-chi compression engines is very bad, causing performance issues, drivability concerns, and engine damage, and it will certainly void the warranty. This is because kerosene and diesel have much lower octane than gasoline. When you mix or replace fuel with them, you push the fuel mixture, no longer at the manufacturer's intended ratio, into a dangerous zone: uncontrolled combustion, increased carbon buildup, piston wear, and potential ECU damage. Adding acetone or xylene, strong industrial solvents, only increases the risk. These chemicals can dry, crack, and damage seals, O-rings, and hoses, causing fuel leaks, overworking the fuel pump, and even premature pump failure. The most dangerous culprit, though, is hard carbon, soot that's baked on over time. Solvents like kerosene or xylene, acetone, don't dissolve this carbon. They just knock it loose in chunks. These loose fragments don't disappear. They flow through the fuel, potentially clogging injectors, blocking filters, or even reaching the catalytic converter. Once deposits have accumulated for too long, fuel system cleaners poured into the tank rarely remove them completely. Instead, they tend to just loosen them, causing more blockages or hard deposits. Additionally, sensors and emission control systems can be affected. When carbon chunks or harsh chemicals get trapped or pass through the catalytic converter, they can reduce catalyst efficiency, lower combustion performance, increase emissions, and potentially cost you big. Replacing a converter can run over $2,000. That's a serious hit to the wallet, right? So, if you want to clean your injectors, intake valves, and keep your engine running smoothly, choose the smart route: P-based cleaners from reputable brands used correctly. And here are the 3 products we recommend. Let's take a look. Lucas isn't a brand built on illusions. They grew up in the world of drag racing, NASCAR, and off-road, places where being half a second off could send an entire team dragging a car back to the garage like a pile of scrap metal. Their technology has been tested in conditions that your weekend Chevy hasn't even dreamed of. Lucas Deep Clean is basically race tech brought home to your garage, but specifically engineered for fuel injectors. And that's why it's a trusted choice among American drivers, especially those seasoned enough to know that cheap, fast, clean instantly promises have never been a good combo in the automotive world. So, what makes Lucas Deep Clean a professional recommended choice? First off, it contains real PE, the only chemical proven to dissolve hard carbon, not some cheap kerosene-type solvent that just knocks deposits into chunks and leaves you to deal with the mess. PEA isn't a gimmick. It's what keeps your injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers genuinely clean, like taking your car to a spa instead of just splashing water on its face and calling it cleaned. It doesn't just clean, it lubricates injectors and upper cylinders, supports the fuel pump, essentially tackling current issues while preventing future problems. Most importantly, it actually improves performance. Smoother starts, faster throttle response, less vibration, no more annoying hesitation. If your injectors are dirty, you might even see a 1 to 3 mpg boost. Not huge, but with gas prices swinging like Bitcoin, that's a small blessing. The correct usage is simple. When your car starts showing symptoms like slight vibrations, laggy acceleration, or a rougher engine note than usual, use 1 bottle per full tank. Just pour it in, fill up, and drive normally. The car takes care of the rest. For long-term maintenance, think of Lucas like brushing your car's teeth. You might not see immediate results every time, but skip a few times and you'll notice. Every 3,000, 5,000 miles, or most conveniently, whenever you change the oil, pour another bottle. Here's a pro tip not everyone knows. Add it when the tank is about 1/4 full, then top off to ensure proper mixing. You'll usually feel the benefits most clearly when the tank is nearly empty or on the next refill. Next up is Royal Purple Max Clean. The name alone screams luxury, right? This brand is renowned among car enthusiasts, especially those who trust advanced technology more than flashy advertising. Max Clean seems designed not just for daily drivers, but also perfect for hybrids or weekend cars left idle in the garage for weeks. Beyond the essential PEA formula, what sets Max Clean apart is fuel stabilization. If you're the type with a truck for winter hunting, a sedan for your daily commute, and a sports car gathering dust, Max Clean keeps your fuel from degrading, prevents deposits, and preserves the smooth driving feel you've paid a lot for. In real-world experience, many users report smoother acceleration, more stable idle, and slight MPG improvements. Not double your engine power, dramatic, but enough to make your car feel like the day it left the showroom. Even better, Royal Purple offers an impressively long usage interval, up to 10,000 miles. That means you pour it once, and basically forget about it. Perfect for those who want long-term results without pampering their car like a pet. All you need to do is wait until the tank is nearly empty, pour in Max Clean, top off the fuel, and drive normally. Just a few simple steps, and your car is protected. Techron was developed by Chevron based on a polyethyramine formula, the only substance currently proven to literally melt away the stubborn carbon deposits in injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Not just a casual dissolve, but a thorough removal of the stuff that makes your car sluggish, guzzle gas like it's Super Bowl Sunday, and jerk every time you step on the accelerator to merge. Americans love straight talk, and Techron delivers exactly that. Results you can see from the very first use. What makes Techron even more appealing is its versatility. Got a sedan? Fine. Hybrid? Sure. Motorcycle? No problem. Even that lawnmower that's been sitting all winter in the garage? Yup, it works. And of course, it won't damage gaskets, O-rings, or hoses, the very things that could leave you signing a repair bill more expensive than a Florida vacation. How about performance? Simple, smoother engine, smoother acceleration, restored power like the day it rolled off the lot, and improved fuel economy. 1 bottle covers about 20 gallons, super convenient. More importantly, it helps you avoid expenses nobody wants. Clogged catalytic converters, blocked injectors, faulty O2 sensors. All things that can rack up bills in the thousands just because of carbon buildup. Use it every 3,000 miles, pouring into the tank before filling up. That's it. If you have to pick a real tune-up in a bottle worth your money, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is a choice you can trust. A small investment that keeps you from facing repair bills so scary you just want to shut off the engine and walk home. Ultimately, the message is simple. Don't throw money at miracle bottles that promise to revive a near-dead engine. If you want real cleaning, smoother performance, and to avoid repair bills that make your jaw drop, stick to what's scientifically proven. PEA. Have you tried any of the products mentioned in this video? If so, share your experience below. Lastly, notice that the content in this video is based on publicly available information, vehicle manuals, and automotive studies. It is intended for educational and informational purposes only, not to promote any specific brand or product. Viewers should always cross-check information, follow manufacturer recommendations, and make their own informed decisions when it comes to vehicle maintenance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.